All right, we're really close now. We've created this LUT here, but we have to now get that LUT to export. Now, remember how I mentioned, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to grab a still. Because a LUT, a lookup table, is going to be a single PNG file, not a whole entire video. And so we're going to want to export that, but remember how I said that we want to export that the original file is 512 by 512? That means we're going to have to export this as 512 by 512. And right now, as you can see, I mean, it's not 512, but it's not even a square. I mean, we need to do some changes. So we're going to go all the way to the bottom right to this settings icon. You guys see that? Go ahead and click that. And we see a whole bunch of stuff happening over here. We're going to go to the top. Here's what we're going to do. We're going to change this resolution to 512 by 512. That's it. So we've created the correct resolution. And now, see this still that I grabbed a second ago? We're now going to export this still. Let me go ahead and export that. And export it wherever you want. And give it whatever name you want. Just remember where you put it. As you can see, I have a file that's called, an area that's called stuff for resolve. I'm going to call it new LUT. And remember, LUT stands for lookup table. And I make sure that I change this to a PNG, to a PNG file. Let me see, that's the choice right over here. We want that to be a PNG file because that's what OBS is going to use. And we can see there's been some other LUTs created in the past. So we're just going to call this new LUT. And then we hit export. And now the LUT is created. The LUT's done. Now, in this next video, we're going to show how to use that LUT inside of OBS.